Dumela, welcome back to Setswana Class. Actually, today's lesson is going to be very different. I'm pretty excited about something that I have actually been busy with, which is school. Yeah, I'm busy with school. This is why if you go to this channel, you won't see much videos. And there is more music coming your way though. Anyway, the thing that I'm excited with today has nothing to do much with lessons, you might say, but it has much to do with Botswana in general. So I've created this game for those of you who are older, who are on the older side like I am. You may probably remember a game similar to this one. You used to play it on your brick games and whatever, all those arcade stuff. Okay, so but imagine that game and it's teaching you about some things in Botswana. Because I'm using a very old laptop here, this is why the video is kind of like wobbly. This game is also a web browser based game, so which means you are able to play it right now for free. I'll leave the link down below for you guys, and it'll be much appreciated if you can play it and you are able to leave feedback as well, and maybe the things that I should improve in this game. Okay, if you do that, it'll be really helpful. Yeah, let's get to the game. Here is the game. I was actually playing this, and I will explain what you are learning from this game as you play it. Okay, like I said, it's web based. You can play it on your computer. You can also play it on your cell phone if you have internet. I'm gonna make it available so you can download it and you can play it offline, but for now you are able to play it for free online. Let's see, let's start this game. Okay, it does have a sound that is lagging, and it's, yeah, like I said, it's just, it's one of those things where right now is not able to display well. Let's pause it there. You hit P to pause the game. You know how the games work. And if you hit the space bar, you jump. When you pause the game, there's something that is exciting. It tells you a little fun fact about Botswana. Like this one is saying Okavango Delta is UNESCO site. UNESCO heritage site, one of those things. So it's teaching you about this little fact about Botswana. So it's kid friendly as well. The cars don't crash easily. Your kid can play it. It doesn't have anything that is very addictive. Like it doesn't have much really. Maybe even kids will find it boring, but it's helpful. And if you're ever gonna drive in Botswana, you will know that on the main road of Botswana, which is A1, hopefully is the main road. You see all these road signs like here. Okay, let's go here. You see the name there is Pakalani, and there is Buka. Oh, I was not focused on the game. Let me see. Yeah, you see there it says Buka. So we crashed in Buka, and we did burst. Our level burst right now is 7. So it's gonna store this up until you close the browser, and then it's gonna start again. Sadly. Anyway, let me retry it again, and there's really something fun when it gets to level 3, I think. Let's see. The names will change up a little bit. Okay, so restart the game. We press R, and usually the game is a little faster than this, but my web browser right now is very slow because I'm using a very old laptop, which is a bit slower than your newer ones, but it's very enjoyable on the thing. One other thing that I realized is that it's very loud. So we had crashed in the Buka, and that now we are past to maturity. We are still in level 1. It should go to level 2 soon, and it will pick up speed as it goes with the levels. Like I said, it's not easy to crash. You can actually rub off of the cars. Let's leave it there so you can see. You see that the cars can just rub off each other. I made it kid friendly because I have kids and I want them to be able to play this and enjoy. Like I said, when you pause it, it should tell you about fun facts about Botswana every time you pause it. Botswana is a diamond powerhouse. How fun is that? Okay, and we are now in Mahalape. The one is really exciting for me because I drove in this A1 road. So basically, this road is a road that is there in Botswana. I mean, it even has. I'll pause it whenever something of that comes. Top easy, and now when you pass here, you know you are almost to a village called Tonota in Botswana, and then Serule is like where you have a turn to go to Silibe Pikwe, and then you continue to Fole, which is then you are so close to Tonot. It's just a village before Tonot, and then it skips to level 2. Level 2 is actually faster than this, like I said, but you know, and then you pass that siding. Once you get to Francistown, it will take you back to Gaborone again. Let's see, we'll go to level 3 here. So if you play this game, let me know how much of score. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you played it and what's your best score on this. Okay, there we go. Something that I like about this is just that, you know, now our pause it's a bit dark. But there are potholes on this road, so you have to also avoid those potholes. Yeah, if you're going to drive in Botswana, you might encounter potholes, so you gotta be very careful, especially if you're driving a little bit faster. So you might have a problem with like immediate pothole, and you might get your car damaged or worse, accident, and you do not want to get into an accident on the road. Okay, so yeah, so when a pothole comes like this, you can either move to the right or left, or you can jump it. How cool is that? Let me see. Oh, wait, why does it say I'm still on level 2? Okay, level 3, there we go. So level 3 is supposed to be a little bit difficult, and it's also a little bit faster. And yeah, it should be like a really enjoyable game. So I would like to hear you when you play it. If you're gonna learn something on this. No, I don't understand. Okay, there we go. It still has, Botswana has the largest elephant population in the world. So all those fun facts. How fun is that? You're playing a game and also learn about Botswana. I actually made this game thinking about my kids, because the chances of them experiencing Botswana right now is very low. Okay, so I want them to be playing this game and kind of have that feeling of like, you know, driving one of the main roads out there in Botswana, and also learning about Botswana while they are entertaining themselves. It's like an edu game. Is there something like that, or did I just create something new? Thank you so much for watching this. I promise you there's going to be more music coming, and eventually the school will be finished, and maybe I'll be able to do more Setswana videos. And I'm a little bit active on WhatsApp and the Setswana group WhatsApp. If you're not part of it, leave a comment down below. I'll be able to direct you to that particular group where you can ask questions about whatever Setswana lessons or whatever Setswana words you want to know about and stuff like that. So yeah, let's have some fun. Please go to the link down below and let me know what you think of this game, if you played it and experienced it for yourself, and how far can you go, because it gets really, really tough the higher levels you go. And I know there are geniuses out there who are going to be able to maybe, I don't know, crush this game. Thank you so much for watching this. Until we meet again next time, goodbye.